Neil Comparetto here at Matrix Mechanical in beautiful Testo, Maryland. Today we're going to clock the gas meter using the iManofold app. Alright, so we're set up here. We have our BTU, our dial half foot. There we go. So I've clocked this meter several times and I'm getting anywhere from 50 to 55,000 BTUs on a 60,000 BTU furnace. So I'm suspecting we might have to change our orifices. Let's see what we get. Alright, that was a little low. Let's try again. Also, this dial is a little herky-jerky. I clocked the 2 cubic foot dial as well and got about 55,000. Like I said, I've done this several times now. There you go. Again. Well, I think we can conclude that this test is inconclusive. So we have our Carrier Infinity furnace here. Please pardon the mess. This is a construction site. I promise it will be cleaned up. So right now our manifold gas pressure is 3.57. 67.8, 124. So we're going to enter that into our iManofold app. I did the efficiency earlier. 96. Let's just call it 95. Let's call it 96. User interface, it calculated the CFM at 906. So it's a 60,000 BTU furnace. And good rule of thumb is 150 times, let's start over. Take the input, divide by 10,000, multiply by 150, and that's a good rule of thumb. CFM. So look at this. The iManofold just calculated our CFM at 915, and the Carrier Infinity user interface calculated it at 906. That's pretty impressive. Okay, so now we have our combustion analyzer set up, and see what we have. Oxygen at 7.9, CO at 5, efficiency at 97, ambient, excess air, 2. Let's go up and see what our undiluted stack temp of 90.1. It's about 50 degrees outside. And our undiluted CO at 9. I'm going to go ahead and do a little prune out. I think I'm pretty comfortable where this furnace is set up at this point. Just want to see the printout before I stop the video. While that's printing, I'm going to show you another thing that we've done. So we've installed static pressure ports in several locations in and out of the filter for benchmarking filter pressure drop. And we have one for the furnace, and then we're going to install one more to get a benchmark on the evaporator coil. So something that we like to do is, that way you can diagnose the system, you have a birthday benchmark, and really helps out down the road diagnosing things. Alright, well here you go. I think we're good. Thank you for watching. Here we are at the user interface for the Infinity. I just wanted to show you the calculated CFM and how close we are with the iManofold app. We're now in low fire. I just wanted to show you the difference in operation. How our oxygen has gone up, our CO has gone up, our efficiency has dropped a little. Excess errors. Much higher. CO undiluted, higher. Oxygen's higher. Just characteristics of two-stage gas furnace. Thank you for watching.